You like my deer? I brought it specially for you guys. So check this out. This is a really special deck for me. This deck I redid 15 years ago. It was a remodel on an existing frame. We remodeled it with cedar, which was way above average at the time, something we don't use anymore because this deck, after 15 years, has rotted out. So what we did was we got to reimagine the space. Built them a whole new space with this deck. We put in patios, multi-level, really came out cool. So I'm really excited to show you guys this space here. Let's go and check this out. Beautiful PVC decking. We did it on a diagonal because that just ties in with the whole space here. Nice big stairs down to the pool. We're very restricted on space when we put this together because we're fitting into an old footprint. So we had to reimagine this space without expanding the footprint too much. So we created this nice big area for these guys here to hang out. They redid this room here. We actually put a new support underneath this, put new footings, new beams, raised this up, and then they had their painter come in and do the interior, so it looks really nice. And they got the bonus there from a room that was already there. Down here, this is kind of the man cave. Still got furniture coming in for it, but we also wrapped the front here with paneling. We did the front with PVC, so no maintenance on that. And then he's got to have his stuff down here, his couches and stuff, so he can hang out and watch his brisket cook. So one of the reasons we elevated this was we didn't want too many stairs between the deck and where he was going to be cooking. So then we have a couple of stairs down to the pool area, wrapped in a new pavers. We broke it up with a border, so we didn't bring the brown tone to the pavers that they did about 5 years ago. Do a little power wash on that, and it'll be all tied together, looking really, really nice. So there it is. If you guys want to see through the eyes of the designer, see the cool things that we do, talk about why we do them, hit that follow button, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next ride.